to create a charming and attractive beauty. Drop filling machines are often designed with flexibility and variety to serve the specific needs of the production process. They can be adapted to pour different types of mixtures from melted chocolate to solid sugar or chocolate frostings. This helps create cakes with perfect and attractive frosting. Looking at the muffin, you will immediately be attracted by its attractive appearance with a golden crispy outer shell, creating a perfect highlight. The taste of this cake will make your taste buds feel excited and excited. These two-layer cream cookies are not only a sweet treat but also a true work of art. The combination of the crispy cookie layer and the smooth cream layer creates a fascinating enjoyment experience for your taste buds and taste buds. Every cut packaged cookie is a work of art, and Cookie Capper helps make that dream come true. With its flexibility and precision, this machine not only makes cookie production easy but also produces cookies of diverse shapes, sizes, and designs. Not only humans but machines also exhibit exceptional teamwork. You might mistake it for a cutting machine, but it is actually a centering machine. This machine adds rich fluffy soil to the crops. The number 6 joint is operated with utmost ease using this special plier. Don't forget to give us a This time-saving leather edge beveler machine can round 2 edges simultaneously with ease. Let's see how this laser device can restore the old metal surface. Easily and swiftly clear away standing water after rain with this boundary.
Luxurious and attractive feeling. The shrimp's sparkling eyes contain the secret of the sea and make each shrimp come alive. When enjoying it, you will experience the sweet and fragrant taste of the shrimp. With the softness and chewiness of shrimp meat, each piece of shrimp makes you irresistible. The walnut shell is dark brown and slightly cracked, revealing the smooth golden kernel inside. After roasting, the rich fatty aroma spreads, stimulating the taste buds. The walnuts are placed in a bag to lock in the flavor, keeping the walnuts always crunchy and fatty. Opening the bag, you will feel the essence of nature mixed in each walnut. Look at the cakes lined up neatly, moving rhythmically. They will be packaged to keep the deliciousness and flavor in the best way. Have you ever tried this cake? Once you take a bite, you will feel the softness and sweetness like passionate kisses and melt in your mouth. Each cake contains the passion of the baker. Cutting cheese thinly and alternately becomes easier than ever when you use this appliance. This is a machine with flexible and convenient features, helping to create diverse and unique culinary experiences. Looking at the soft, attractive chocolate cakes running on the conveyor belt, we not only feel the sweet fragrance emanating from them, but also seem to be deposited in a wonderful picture of creativity and meticulousness. Baking.